this is the look for today's tutorial. You're doing a very dark Vaporwave inspired look. It is actually inspired by the song called Black Sun on the Horizon by Gunship. And yeah, I wanted to do something kind of sunsetty, yet have elements of black in there and darkness and purple. Here's a picture that kind of inspired everything right here on the screen. Just wanted to sit down and paint, basically. Literally just paint, have fun, and see what happens. I have no game plan going in, so you get to see kind of the struggle, and I'll probably edit some of the struggle out and just give you a little more of a concise tutorial, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. To create this look, I use the Huda Beauty electric palette. I'm not sure if this is still available. If it is, I'll link it down below. Yeah, it's just a super duper electric palette, and I love it so much. This is probably one of the first truly colorful palettes I ever bought that like called to me. I'm not really big into like bright colors, honestly, but I've gotten a little more experimental and learned how to pair them and do cool things with them that bring out the darkness. If you want to see how I got this look and follow along with me, just keep watching. Okay, I have to just prime my eyes with a little bit of concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So what I'm going to do first, though, is go in with the bright yellow from the center of the palette, knock off the excess. I'm going to take this pretty high in the transition. And softly blend that towards the brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to take the peach. I'm going to take it just a little bit lower. I'm just kind of letting that peach flow into the yellow. Clean that brush off and just blend right in here. Make sure everything's all nice and smooth and blended and soft. Take a little bit of that peach and kind of come up here. I think I'm gonna take a touch more yellow just to make sure it's still vibrant. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and carve out the crease and then go in with the purple. Take some more of that e.l.f. concealer and I'm gonna use it to cut the crease. Load up my little flat angled brush here and relax my lid and kind of pick where I want to cut. I'm kind of pulling it out a little bit. I think this is kind of what I'm going for. It's a little messy right now, I know. I'm going to take some more of that peach shade. I'm going to take it on a little flat brush that I can kind of get some good control with and just go right around the outside of that cut crease or where I carved out that with the concealer. Just right around that edge. Building it and blending it. Alright, I know, it's very messy. It's gonna be on this look, so it's gonna look like shit until we're finished. Okay, now on the lid, I want to take purple shade. Okay. Kind of pack it on the blank area. I'm kind of pulling it to a winged shape. Go back around its edges with the peach. Make sure she's not getting lost. I'm gonna take a liner brush, I'm using the matte dark blue, and I'm gonna kind of use it. Kind of marrying that into the purple. And in the middle there, I'm going to take a little bit of the more bluey purple. Just to kind of marry these two shades together. Like that. I've got a lot of fallout. Ooh, so much fallout. Upper lash line with some black eyeliner. Where to put that? There it is. Don't worry about the mess. We're gonna clean it all up. You're just gonna have to trust me on this one. I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and just go over that liner. Kind of want the blue to flow into a black now. Actually, so I'm gonna kind of just build that a little bit on the outermost part. Create like a wing shape. Again, don't worry if it's not perfect. We will clean it up. Okay, hopefully you can see where I kind of clean things up and hopefully I got something going here. I kind of like it's a little avant-garde, different. You definitely, I think, can feel the inspiration of the imagery that I was going for with this look. So what I'm gonna do now is move on to the lower lash line. What I'm gonna do is, I don't know. You know what I really want to do though is tight line, or do the waterline with this yellow eyeliner pencil from ColourPop. This is in the shade Punch, I believe. Okay, so I put on the yellow liner. I kind of brought it down a little low right here. I'm gonna go in with the yellow eyeshadow. Would you like brush like this? I'm gonna take this under here. And I think I'm just gonna have that blend into the peach shade. Underneath. That little liner brush again, I've cleaned it off. And I'm gonna jump into this dark pink shade. A little long right there. On this outer corner. This is gonna be kind of a weird look. We're not doing anything wearable today, girl. So we have to blend that down just a little bit because it kind of fucked up on the other side. So we're gonna blow that pink out just a little bit more than I wanted to initially. But that is okay. We're just painting and playing today. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow liner and kind of touch up a little bit of Fenty Diamond Balm on that inner corner. How many carats? Alright, I'm gonna do some mascara and we'll be back with the finished eye. Okay, and here is the finished eye. Hopefully it looks kind of vaporwave, cyberpunk inspired, kind of neon electric. Okay, let's finish up the rest of the face. I look like a ghost. Holy shit. I don't know how it happened. I'm telling you, it's the e.l.f. concealer. Things got a little haywire with it. I don't know. Okay, so let's try to bring some life back into this face. Let's do that. I'm gonna take some bronzer. I'm trying to use this one up. It's old as shit. I should probably just throw it away. I might just stick it into my empties bag after this. Anyway, this is Formula BB Bronze Booster Bronzing Brush in lights. Dear Jesus. Dear Jesus. Why am I so pale? What happened today? Oh god, I'm not even looking in the mirror either. I was looking at the viewfinder. I can't tell what I'm doing in the viewfinder. Are you kidding me? My fingernails are so long they're getting in the way. A little frustrated right now. Do I look less ghostly at all? Guys? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and blush. Because Lord Jesus, do I need some blush. I'm just gonna use a peachy blush from Beige Palette because I got it right here on hand. Magic, which is the Metal Crush shade. Just get a little glow in there. You hit the nose. I still look super pale, don't I? Yeah, I'm still a ghost. Oopsie! I got like a mess right now in front of me and I can't find shit. Knocking stuff over, feeling very frustrated. This is Wet n Wild Zodiac Blush and Written in the Stars. Highlight. It's the loose highlighter. I just take what's in the cap here. Oh my god, look at that glow. This is the most glowy highlighter I have ever seen. Dip, dip, dip on the nose, Cupid's bow. Like, it's insanely glowy. Okay, and for the lip, I kind of don't know what I want to do. I have two options. I pulled two very distinct options. My little bumbling fingers could grab them. We have black. Do you think black would give this a really cool edgy look? Or we have orange, like an orangey red. And you know what? I'm going black. And here we have the finished look. It's very colorful out there, kind of different, avant-garde fun. It's very Vaporwave inspired. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed following along with me and seeing how I got this look. It was a little bit of a struggle to get there. It looked like one, and it kind of was. It was an experiment. I didn't have a plan going in. It was just kind of do a look and see what happens. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, if you have any other ideas or looks you would like to see, let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.